Hello everyone. I hope you all are good. So today let's make our own traditional and beautiful sweet Pansache Donne or Holle or jackfruit and rice dumplings. They taste absolutely delicious and you must try them out as jackfruit is easily available nowadays. So to begin with, I've taken few jackfruit bulbs here. Of course, we will be needing a capo version of jackfruit. Next, I had soaked 1 cup parboiled rice last night. I'll transfer this to a grinding jar, adding 10 to 12 jackfruit bulbs to this, some salt, and we need to grind this without or with as little water as possible. So this is the ground paste of rice and jackfruit. You can add a little jaggery also while grinding, but I avoided since it becomes too sweet inside out. Next, in a pan, add 1 cup jaggery and 2 tablespoons of water. Let the jaggery melt on a low flame. Once the jaggery melts, add 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, 1 cup finely cut jackfruit bulbs, a pinch of salt, and mix well for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not cook this mixture for longer. Since it contains jaggery, it will become hard after cooling down. Now turn off the flame and add crushed cardamom. Well, I have used 4 green cardamom pods for this and some grated nutmeg. Mix all this really nicely and let it cool down completely. Now I have some fresh leaves of jackfruit tree here, thoroughly washed. We need to form a cone shape like this from these leaves and seal using a fine stick or even toothpick. Look at this. Now take some rice dough and apply a thin coat inside the cone. Apply some water to your fingers if the dough becomes sticky while coating. Would like to share a tip here. If your dough becomes too loose and becomes difficult to handle, you can add 2 tablespoons of rice flour to make it firm. Now fill in the cones with coconut mixture nicely from the bottom till the top. Seal with a thin layer of dough like this and our donne is ready. So I have got all this donne ready here. I have got some water boiled in a steamer. Let's place all this donne one by one in a steamer and we need to steam cook this on a medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Our donne look nicely steam cooked. I'll let them cool down completely before demolding. To demold, you just need to remove the outer leaf and enjoy this beautiful delicacy. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.